Welcome to our MediaViz AI app tutorial video series. In this video, we'll start looking at the data MediaViz AI pulled from our demo collection. We already have the demo collection loaded in here, but if you need any assistance with that, please see the previous video where we go over the uploading process. We'll start by giving you an overview of the interface. In the default view, all the photos are showing. You can sort from newest to oldest or oldest to newest here. If you go to the left here, you can filter the photos by month or start to see albums that MediaViz AI has created based on topics. We're giving you multiple ways to view your images so you can make better sense of them. If you click into an AI-curated album like this Animals album here, you can see all of the photos in your collection that belong in that album. In this particular collection, you can see there are a good amount of photos of cats and dogs. This is just one of the many ways we can leverage the data of photos for various outcomes. If you would like to create a custom album, check off all the photos you would like to include and click Add to Album. If a custom album hasn't been created yet, you'll be prompted to name it. At the top, these path links show exactly where you are and let you move back at any point. Here, we'll return to our demo collection. You've probably noticed the similar label in the corner of some of the photos, so let's click into one of those. Our similarity feature treats near duplicates as part of a single moment in time, analyzing them to select the best photo from that moment. In the gallery, you'll only see the top choice, while the others are stacked underneath for easy access. This is an excellent example of the system identifying a similar set of images, then choosing the best one to be presented. She's smiling, posed nicely, and facing toward the camera. Similar photos aren't removed from the collection unless you choose to do so. If you would like, you can select and delete the near duplicates that aren't applicable to you. Now, let's find a photo we want to click into to see the rest of the data that MediaViz AI provided. We'll choose this one. All you need to do is click the image to see it larger, and underneath you'll find all the data. First, we have our labels. We spent a lot of time with various professionals determining the best set of labels to use. We automatically show you the labels that best describe the images, but if you click Show More Labels, you'll see all the labels that have been generated. Each label also comes with a confidence score, so you can see how certain the system is of each label as they're applied. You can utilize these however you want within our API, whether it's to program your system to act a certain way when certain labels are detected, make a better search experience for your users, or write them right into the metadata, which we'll show you how to do later. To experience how these labels pertain to search, the search bar at the top of the collection allows you to sift through labels and find photos easier. We also understand that not all labels apply to every situation, so we give you the control to exclude keywords by topic or by individual keywords. Clicking back into our demo photo, the next section is our face detection. This shows how many faces are found in the photo and allows you to add who is in the photo. Once you tag who is in the image, the system will carry that tag to any other photo that person is found in the collection. Now we have blur level. We have a scale here to better visualize the blur level. The left is the least blur, the right is the most blur. Our top colors show the most prominent colors in your photos. If you click all colors below, you can see the full list of colors pulled from the photo. Our API can be configured to utilize top colors and/or color averages depending on your needs and preferences. Now that we've seen some of the data that makes up our curation AI model, let's see what the system thinks of these photos. You may have noticed the stars in the right-hand corner of the images. We look at objective and subjective qualities of each image, then look at the collection as a whole to determine the best 15%, middle 70%, and worst 15% of photos in the image set. The star rating correlates with how the system has ranked the images, but if you disagree with the rating, you can click to change these at any time. Alternatively, you can use the navigation to view each group individually. Our app is a demo of our curation and culling capabilities. In our API, you can configure best, middle, and worst to meet the needs of your business. We went through the collection. Now what? If you're simply demoing the power of some of the capabilities and data points of MediaViz AI, you can stop here. But if you're interested in downloading or adding metadata into the photos of your collection, we'll show you how. First, let's pull a CSV or XLSX of the data. Simply navigate back to the starting screen, click the three dots, then click your desired output. The XLSX is for reviewing data, while the CSV is for uploading data into your management system. We'll start with a quick review of the XLSX file before showing you how to write the metadata directly into your photos. Download the XLSX file and create a new Google Sheet. Import the file into the sheet. Allow access to the formulas, do a bit of formatting, and all your data will be on display in a simple, digestible format with photo thumbnails and all their associated data. To write the metadata directly into your photos, navigate back to the desktop app. Find the collection, click the three dots, then click Write Metadata. Now this is special. You won't be downloading another set of photos. The system will write the metadata directly into your original files, which can be a huge advantage. Our API has this capability too. Thank you so much for walking through the app with us. Note that this app is a great way to see some of the capabilities of our API, but MediaViz AI can do even more than this. We'd love to talk to you about it, so please don't hesitate to reach out to us at sales@mediaviz.ai. Talk soon!